This is RM23. It's a numbers matching 1968 GTO. We've done some tasteful modifications for safety and performance, including 4-wheel disc brakes all the way around, full new suspension kit so it rides and drives like a modern car, but with the original 400 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood. The interior is all original and it could be yours. We've given away 22 incredible, fully restored and modified classics.
I still can't believe I won.
This is amazing. Thank you.
Anybody can win.
If you want to be our 23rd winner, head over to RestoMods.com and claim your entries today. You could be taking home this numbers matching 68 GTO and 20 grand in cash.